Quick mode not working on your Canon camera? If autofocus won't activate or the option is grayed out, it can't stop you from getting the shot. It's usually because of incompatible settings or shooting modes that disable it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the quick mode autofocus. Let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure to remove and reinstall the battery. Remove and reinsert the memory card. If your issue still persists, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check your autofocus mode. Look at the top of your camera body. Here you can see a wheeler. It's called a mode dialer. So, turn your mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Solution 2. Check AF method. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the AF method option. Select it, then press the set button. Here you will get the 4 options: AF tracking, flexi zone, single flexi zone, multi, and quick mode. Now select the flexi zone, single or flexi zone multi mode. After selecting, press the set button to confirm it. Solution 3. Reset camera settings. Turn on your camera, now press the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will get 4 wrench icons. You need to go to the 4th wrench icon. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it, then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button, then select OK, and then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Hope these solutions work. If so, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.